Stick with me, let's explore the audio section of CapCut. What's up people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always joining us. On today's video, I will be showing you how to work with your audios using CapCut. I will be showing you on my PC, and towards the other part, I will show you with my mobile phone how to extract audio from the previous video that you have or from any video at all. If you like the audio that is there, you can extract the audio from that video and just implement it on the current video that you are creating. I've been finding it difficult how to add your voiceover. I'll be showing you on this video, and I'll also show you how I select my background music, the ones that are free from copyright claims, so that you won't suffer yourself and create videos and you upload it and you notice that YouTube will tell you that this video contains some copyright claims, and it will always be because of the music that you used and a lot more. Guys, stick with me, let's explore the audio section of CapCut. Thank you. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section, and like this video, give it a thumbs up and support so that I can be posting more videos like this. The first one is this. When you click on your CapCut icon and it opens up to this is how your CapCut opens on your PC. So you click on new project, click on import, and import the exact video that you want to work with. So on this scenario, we'll be working with this video. There is no sound to this, so this video is what we want to work with. So there are so many things you can do to this video. Sometimes you need to add some little music or sound at the background just to make the videos to be lively a bit, but the voice or the music won't be as loud as you that is talking. So there are methods that you can use to do that. You can select from the sounds that CapCut has already provided. You can download your own and add it. You can download any music of your choice and you add it. So for us to do that, you click on audio. Look at it. So you select audio. When you select your audio, you have so many features about it. The first one you are seeing here is music. So when it comes to this music, how I do mine, I always show you guys how I do my own. So I've noticed that I won't just select any random music here because it's sweet to the ear or because that is very okay. I don't select that because you may end up selecting and it will be a music or a sound that is under copyright. So at the end of the day, you will not be able to use it. So what I normally do for my own self, I just click on this search icon and type YouTube. When I click on YouTube, I enter the search button. It's loading. So with this, it will give me these options: YouTube, Echo, YouTube Craft. Most of all these songs here, like 90% of them, they are free. You are not being charged. Nobody is claiming them. You can use them. So most times, this is where I do get my sounds from. When I click on YouTube, I check the one depending on the video that I'm doing. If I'm teaching, I don't really need so much noise, so I look for something that is mild or something that is gentle and make use of it. So it's from here that I do select the one that I want to work with. So if you want to listen to any of them, you can click on this and wait for it to download so that you listen and know if you are very okay with it. So let's listen to it. So you have already heard the sound. It's okay. If that's what you want, depending on the video that you want, you can just click on it. So we have it. It's showing here because we have already dragged our cursor down. If you want it to start from the beginning of your video, you just highlight it, drag it, and take it back to the beginning of your video. So with this, our music, we have already made it to start whenever our video starts. You can also click on this star sign to add it to your favorites. So you click on it and it's already on our favorite. So whenever we want to use it, it will be hard for us to start looking for it again. So this is the first method how I add my audio or how I add my sound. Most of them, they are not under copyright. But even if you get them, whether you are sure that it's under copyright or it's not under copyright, to be on a safer side, you click on this word copyright check. I hope you are seeing it. This, you click on copyright check. When you click on this copyright check, you select it and check. So it's showing you run a copyright check. We will check your video for potential copyright issues or used sounds before posting on TikTok. This is it. But this is that whenever you check on Capcut and they tell you that this is under copyright and you still make use of it, YouTube will still tell you the same thing showing on that side. So to be on the safer side, when you check here and it's showing you that this is under copyright, you will do yourself a favor to save yourself the stress of uploading a video, and at the end of the day you won't make use of that video or you won't gain anything from it, but you still impact. So when you select this copyright check, you select the video, you click on check. So we are waiting for it to check. After you go through this process and save yourself the stress than rushing and not checking, and when you post it on YouTube and they tell you that this video, you can't make use of it. So oh yeah, sound copyright checked passed, so we are good to go. This is the result. Great, your work has passed the sound copyright check. So fine, we can make use of this sound. You get? So that's how I do stuff about my sound and music effect. So that's the first stage of audio that I want to show you guys. So the next thing I want to show you about audio is about this sound effect. This is sound effect. So let me take you back to your first video on your YouTube channel, or if you are watching this so that you create your own first video, it's still okay. I don't know if you have heard of all these videos. When they are starting, they'll be like, okay, this is my first YouTube video, and you will hear a sound of people that are clapping or people that are tearing up, all those sounds. This is where they get them from, sound effect. When you click on sound effect, you can check out any of these. Let's check clapping. The effects, these things, they help to make your videos to be lively. You get? When you add them to your videos, all those small places, it makes them to be lively. So let's check clapping. So you can check any clapping effect and you can add them this one. I hope you are very familiar with this sound. So from here, there are thousands of them that you can always check. Many of them, guys, so many of them. So any effect that you want, you can type it, and lucky you, probably most times you'll get them. So from this side, you get your effects that you want. You get to check out this and see what they have. So some of these effects are very funny. So comedians, sometimes you see them adding some effects in their video. This is how they get them. So with this now, you can see where to add up your effects. Please, if you are enjoying this class, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with your friends so that we can upload more of this and we will know that you are enjoying it. It encourages me to keep doing something like this again. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are joining us for the first time. And that's for the sound effects. And the next one that I want to show you is the extract audios. You can have a video that you have here, and the audio that you want to use is audio that you have used on a previous video or a video that you saw online that you think, okay, is free, that you can make use of it. People that sell goods, sometimes they make use of it. Maybe you hear a particular audio that someone used on his or her advertisement and you like it, you can save that video, and when you want to do your own, you can just select your own bit and extract that audio from that particular video and add it to your own video. So for you to do that, you click on extract. So it's from this extract that you can get sounds from videos that you have on your files. So when you click on extract audio, it will ask you to import the video that you want to extract the audio from. I don't know if you understand. So you click on this import. Here you have videos that you can select from. So from here you can select any one that you want. Okay, let's say that I'm working with this. So I can click on open, and with this now it has extracted audio from that video that we just selected. All you have to do is to add it. So when you add it, you can listen to it. So that is it. It's getting audio from that video that I just showed you guys from this extract. So these are the little things or the major stuff that I think you need for your YouTube videos. There are more advanced stuffs that you can do on it, but with this I believe that you are good to go. Next one is if you want to add your audio to it, like if you want to record, is showing this record symbol on your laptop, but on your phone you see it as voiceover. So if you want to record, as you want to say something about the video as it's going, voiceover, you want to explain something, you just click on this microphone sound, just click on it to show you record. So with this you can say what you want to say. You can be saying as the video is going. Our video is not lengthy. Hadibin is a lengthy video. You make it to be better. So let's just click on record, so it will start. So guys, we are starting. With this you can say everything that you want to say concerning the video, and we are good to go. So you can listen to the audio parts of what you have said. We are starting. With this you can say everything that you want to say concerning the video. That's how to add your voiceover to it with your PC. That's how to record. I've shown you how to select your music, your sound effects, check for copyright, get from extracted videos, and how to add your own voice recording to it. So with this I hope you will be able to do something. So I will quickly show you how to do that on your mobile phone. If you are not using your system, you can also make use of your mobile phone and see how you can quickly do that. If you get any question, don't forget to ask me on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell me if there is any place for improvement and the rest of them. I'll always be glad to listen to you. When you are done with your video, you can always export it from here and upload it. So when you are done, you export and you upload. How to do that on your mobile phone. If you are not using your system, you can also make use of your mobile phone. You can click on new project. I have already selected these short clips. First thing is, if I want to add audio to it, down it you will notice edit, audio, and the rest of them. So you click on audio. So many options. You can click on sound. If the video that you have now, like this particular video now that I have here, that the voice that I want to use for it is a voice that I've used on a particular video, you click on this file beside it. It will show you extracted. These ones that you are seeing here, they are the ones I've extracted before. To extract, you click on extract from sound to this, and you will notice import sound only. So I'm clicking on importing sound only. So let me listen to it. Voice from that video. It's not that loud. If I want to add it, I can just click on add. Then the audio that is here is showing the audio of that previous video that we selected. If I don't want this, I can highlight and delete it. So that's how to extract. You can also select from the files that you have. can click on file, import your music, click any of them. So it's here, we already have it now. This Boy, you can now click on it.
More music on.
That's it. You can delete. If you want to select, for those that asked how I do get mine, most times if I'm looking for all these normal YouTube sounds that we use, I'll do click on the search icon and I will type YouTube. How I do my own. All these songs that are showing YouTube signs and all that, most of them, they are always, let's say, little bits or all those small sounds. Most of them, they are not under copyright. This is how I select any of them. I've tried that so many times. Anyone that I select from here now, this one that's showing YouTube, all this one open. If you use, just cross-check any sound that you want. If you use it, most times they are not under copyright. That's how I select mine. If so, this is the sound that we have now. That's how I get most of the sounds I use for my videos, and most times they are not under copyright. But nevertheless, if you want to check if that particular sound is under copyright check, you can click on this icon now, copyright. So when you click on copyright, it will check the audio and tell you if this is okay or not. Use this copyright to check. If they confirm that this is okay, that it doesn't have any problem, then you can go ahead and make use of it. So the next option now that I'll be showing you is how to do voiceover. So for you to do voiceover, yes, you click on your audio. There are so many options down here. We have talked on the sounds, we have talked on checking copyright. So the last one here is voiceover. You click on voiceover. When you click on it, you tap and hold to record. So this, okay, let's hold this. So guys, this is the optical mouse. There are other mouse, and that's it guys. If you just finish, you click on OK. So select and increase the volume. Let me remove this one. Okay, let's hold this. So guys, this is the optical mouse. There are other mouse, and so that's it guys. That's how you add your voiceover. So this one is a very interesting part. If you are doing some videos and you want to make it to be interesting and all that, you can search from this effect. You can check out the laughing, the fight and all that. Just cross check it, know the exact stuff that you want with it, and you are good to go. So for those that ask how I do my audio, this is how I do them. There is no special secret or any other thing that I will be showing you. So guys, this is just a summary of how I do stuff with my sound or audio. If you want something that is more detailed, you can drop that on the comment section and I will give you that. I hope you guys understand this video and I hope you enjoy it. Do take care of yourself and have a nice time. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like our videos, post, share it so that other people will benefit from it too. Thank you guys. Bye.